Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a question from differential equation which is asked in the KCET examination 2024. The question is the integral of the Pfaffian yz dx plus 2xz dy minus 3xy dz equal to 0 is option 1 u of xyz equal to x square y square by z equal to c. Option 2 u of xyz equal to xy square by z cube equal to c. Option 3 u of xyz equal to xy by z cube equal to c. Option 4 u of xyz equal to xy by z square equal to c. How we can solve this differential equations? Any idea? Let us see. Given yz dx plus 2xz dy minus 3xy dz equal to 0. Clearly, this is a homogeneous equation. This is a homogeneous equation. So, put x equal to uz and y is equal to vz. Then dx is equal to u dz plus z du and dy is equal to v dz plus z dv. So equation 1 becomes, then 1 becomes y is vz, so vz into z dx means u dz plus z du plus 2 into x means uz into z, dy means v dz plus z dv minus 3 into x uz into y vz into dz equal to 0. So simplifying, what you will get here, z square vu dz plus z cube v du plus 2z square uv dz plus 2uz cube dv minus 3 uv z square dz equal to 0. So here z square vu dz square vu dz 2z square uv dz 1, this is 3 minus 3 uv z square dz, so cancels these three terms, remaining z cube v du plus 2u z cube dv is equal to 0. That is v du plus 2u dv is equal to 0, which is in variable separable form. So we can easily solve this. How? du by u plus 2 dv by v is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, ln u plus 2 ln v is equal to ln c, where c is a constant. So we get this is after applying the logarithmic property and cancelling, you will get u into v square is equal to c. So resubstitute Resubstitute u is equal to x by z and v is equal to y by z. Then 2 becomes x by z into y by z square is equal to c. That is xy square divided by z cube is equal to c. So which is the option? Xy square by z cube equal to c. So option 2 is true. So option 2 is correct. Thank you friends. Please share and subscribe the channel.